Hi. Hello children. How are you? How are you today? I am good. I am well. What about you? Hello kids. Welcome to Savita Ford Academy. Kids, this one our science lecture. CBSE board grade 4. This one our science cover page 2015 edition. New science in everyday life. This one our science means we always calling in short EVS textbook. Let's come first one chapter. Today we learn. Yes. Who read index contents? First one chapter. Unit 1 food. This one you can see here content. Okay, page number 8. Unit 1 food. Inside there first one chapter our food, our basic need. Who can tell me our basic need? How many needs our basic? Food, home, cloth. Okay, let's come. Looking around here, textbook given. This one your homework. All of you now in a 4th standard. Okay, and you can read easily this one. Okay, if you have any confusion, next science lecture, EVS lecture, we read looking around. Okay, about that one, pollution, how we make a pollution and how much pollution, that one. Okay, then let's come, we start without time. We start our first one chapter, food, our basic need. We on page number 13, our first one chapter. Okay, then open your science notebook and textbook. Okay, see, first I read this one lesson. All of you please pay attention and listen carefully. Without listening you can't give answer. Okay, first we read, explain, and then we solve our exercise, all question answers. So please pay attention. Okay, see, all living beings need food. Living beings, living things and non-living things. We already learn about that in a 2nd and 3rd standard. Okay, without wasting time, come to the point. Food gives us energy for doing activities such as studying, playing, walking and talking. First, all of you see our chapter name, food. Obviously inside this one chapter all information gives us about food. Which foods gives us which vitamins and why we need foods. Okay, see, another side you can see you will learn about, means which topics you learn from this one chapter. First one, food groups. Second one, roughage and water. Third, balanced diet. Fourth one, preservation of a food, how we preserve food, because some food need a preservation. Okay, rest, posture and exercise, why we need a exercise. Okay, at the end of a chapter. See, all living beings need food. Food gives us energy for doing activities such as studying, playing, walking and talking. That one all children's, kids, children's, all. Okay, who is going school, but adults also need a food because of they doing lot of work. Okay, hard work. How they doing work, that type food they need. Okay, let's come to the point. List all the things that have been used to make the cake. You can see here one activity here. Then write P for food stuff. We get from plants. Means which things we get from plants. That one. There we write down P. Okay. And A for the ones we get from animals. And which things we got from animals, we write down there A. A for animals and P for plants. Okay. Then C. Ingredient carrots. Carrots P. Plants. Eggs animals. Milk cow, buffalo. Who gives milk? So we write down A for animals. But now soybean milk, vegetarian milk also we can make. Okay. Then we write down P also there in oblique. Okay. Coconut oil, plants. Apples, plants. P. Ginger, P. Plants. Walnuts, P. And honey, P. Plants. Okay. Then see, turn page. Next main topic we start food groups. Okay. See, the food that we eat has many substances that help our body to grow and stay. Why we need food groups? Okay. Healthy and strong. Our body became healthy and strong. We need a food. The substances that are needed by our body for energy, good health and proper growth are called nutrients. Yes. First one question. What is the nutrients? Okay. This one answer, this one question answer, we got from this one para. Okay. What is the nutrients? And what gives nutrients? Okay. The substances that are needed by our body for energy, good health and proper growth are called nutrients. What is the nutrients? That one answer. Okay. See, nutrients gives us energy to do our work. Nutrients gives us dash dash, or who gives us energy. That one below your teacher can give you. Okay. So this one sentence is very very important. Okay kids. They help to repair our body. They means who? Nutrients. And also prevent us from falling ill too often. Okay. Who prevent to sick? Who? Nutrients. The main nutrients found in food items are, where we found the nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats and vitamins. Vitamins or vitamins you can pronounce. And minerals. This one sentence are very very important. Okay. The next topic, subtopic from a food groups. Carbohydrates. These are nutrients. Food items such as cereals. What is a cereal? Rice, wheat and corn. And vegetables such as potatoes gives us a lot of energy. Okay. Which food gives us energy? That one answer hide here. Okay. They contain carbohydrates. Food items rich in carbohydrates are called energy giving food. Which foods? Energy giving foods. That's one question answer hide here. Okay. So it's very very important. People who do a lot of physical work such as laborers, farmers and a sportsperson need a lot of carbohydrates to give them more energy. Okay. Then you can see labor means who? Who work in a big factory. Okay. They are doing a hard work. That all person called a labor. Okay. Who work 7 to 10 o'clock to 5:30, 10:30 to 5:30 or 10 o'clock. Means 8 hours they work. Okay. Laborers. Okay, see, you can see here few pictures. Okay, yes. We want page number 14 and some foods item that contain carbohydrates. You can see here breads, honey, corn, okay, potato, rice and chapati roti, wheat roti. Okay. Next topic, subtopic proteins. All are carbohydrates. Food items such as a milk means which food gives us a protein. Food items such as milk, egg, cheese, fish, meat, beans and pulses are rich in proteins. Yes. Which food gives us a protein? That one question answer hide here. Okay. All of you studying in a 4th standard and easily search this one answer. Okay. Then see. Come to the point. Food items rich in proteins are called bodybuilding foods. Which are bodybuilding foods or what is a bodybuilding foods? That one question answer hide here. Okay. They are needed for the growth and repair of our body and also for building muscles. Yes. Very, very important sentence. Body building and giving energy, building muscles. Young children need more protein rich food than adults because they are still growing. Who need more energy? Children, because they still growing, and adults their growth stop. Okay, they doing a hard work. How they doing hard work? That type they want a food. Okay. Then next subtopic, fats. All subtopic means nutrients. Till it we learn carbohydrates, proteins. Okay. Now we learn about fats. Which food gives us fat and who need a fat. Okay. Food items such as nuts, oils, ghee and butter are rich in a fat. Which food gives us a fat? That one question answer hide here. Okay. They means who? Fat. They provide more energy. Means oil, ghee, butter. Okay. All provide more energy than food items rich in carbohydrates. They also help to keep the body warm. They means who? Fats. Keep our body warm. Our body needs very little fat. Yes. We don't want more fat. Our body needs only little small fat. Okay. Otherwise our weight going extra. Okay. Extra fat is stored in the body for a later use. Okay. Fact file one given here. It's very important. And kids, always remember, read always fact file. Maybe your science EVS teacher gives you any small objective type question from a fact file. Aryan, that was the name. People of ancient India, Aryans means ancient people. People of ancient India believed that food gave strength to the body and was a gift of God. The Vedas, ancient Hindu text give description of various grains and their use in our daily life. Very, very important knowledge. Okay, fact file. See, few pictures you can see, page number 15. All food gives us a fat, increase our fat. Next one, nutrients, vitamins and minerals. What is the vitamins? Which foods gives us vitamins and increase minerals? What is the vitamins? What is the minerals? That one questions, answers, give this one topic. Okay, then let's come. We learn this one Food items such as fresh fruit and vegetable, milk, eggs and peanuts are rich in vitamins and minerals. They protect us from disease and keep us fit and healthy. Who keep us fit and healthy? Vitamins and minerals, very important for our body. They are also called a protective food. Vitamins and minerals always protect our body. So protective foods. Vitamins A, B complex, C, D, E and K are some important vitamins required by our body. Vitamin A improve eyesight, our eyesight, which gives carrot, okay, and keeps our skin healthy. Vitamin B complex is needed for various functions of the body. Vitamin C helps to fight infection and keeps our germs, gums and teeth healthy. Calcium, iron, potassium, iodine and sodium are examples of minerals. Yes. Give 3 or 4 minerals example. That one type question your EVS teacher give. Okay. That one answer hide here. Okay. You can search easily. Okay. Calcium help in the formation of bones. Bones need a calcium and the teeth. Yes. Examples of calcium rich food items are milk, curd, almond and cheese. Okay. Each food gives us calcium. That one question answer hide here. Okay. Iron help in the formation of a blood. Iron. So always eat iron pots when your mother cooking. Okay. Examples of iron rich food items are green leafy vegetables, dry fruits and legumes. And what is a legumes? This one a new word. Word help. Any plant that has seeds and a long pods. That one legumes. Okay. See. You can see here one picture, page number 15. Last one, some food items that contain vitamins and minerals. A lot of food you can see all gives us vitamins and minerals. Okay. Now let's come. We turn page number 16. Let's remember here. Okay. Sort the following foodstuffs. Write C for carbohydrate, P for proteins, E for fat, F for fats, and PM for vitamins and minerals for the main nutrients in each. Okay. See. First one, idli, C. C means carbohydrate. Second one, P means protein, eggs gives us protein and vitamins and minerals. Third one, grapes. PM means vitamins and minerals and VM, tomato. Fourth one, vitamins and minerals. Fifth one, F. F means fat. This one, butter. Fifth one, fat, increase fat. Okay. Sixth one, oil. Oil increase fat. Okay. Seventh one, bread. C1 means what? Carbohydrate. And eighth one, P. P means protein, chicken. Okay. Then come to the point, roughage and water. Next our topic, food items such as cereals, corns, green leafy vegetables and fruits contain fiber that cannot be digested by our body. Roughage and water. Inside we read food items such as cereals, corn, green leafy vegetables and fruits contain fiber that cannot be digested by our body. The part of the plant food that cannot be digested is called a dietary fiber or a roughage. What is a roughage? Roughage, same word, synonyms. Dietary fibers means which food we can't digest easily. Okay. What is a dietary fiber or what is a roughage? That one question answer idea. Okay. It helps to remove waste material from our body. Hence, dietary fiber is very, very important. Oh, why dietary fiber or roughage very, very important? Because of remove waste material from our body. Okay. Next, water is also very important part of our diet. For our diet, which food very, very important? Water. Our body needs water for all its functions. Without water we can't live. You all know. And without water we can't digest any food. We should drink plenty of water every day. 4 liter or 8 glass daily. Okay. Most food items contain water. 3/4 of our body weight is water. That means what? The kind of food that we eat. Next topic, balanced diet. Very important. How much food we need and which food we need, that one called a diet. Normally. Then let's come. We read here. Diet that has all the nutrients in the right amount, dietary fiber and water is called a balanced diet. This one a definition about a balanced diet. Okay. Next, you can see this one picture. We on page number 16. You can see here food items of a balanced diet inside circle. Very, very important this one. Please practice it with pictures, color pictures and name them for your exam. Okay. This one a diagram, balanced diet chart. Your teacher give 100%. Next, the picture shows some food items that make a balanced diet. In order to stay healthy, we should eat food items from each of these food groups daily. Inside circle, you can see balanced diet. First one, vitamins, minerals. Fruits and vegetables gives us vitamins and minerals. Next, fats. Oil, butter and nuts gives us fat. Next, proteins. Fish, meat and eggs gives us protein. Okay. And carbohydrate. Cereals and proteins gives us carbohydrates. Okay. This one. Food items balanced diet very, very important. So practice kids this one. Draw 2 times. Okay. This one your very, very important homework. Next, main topic, preservation of food. Yes. We always say eat always fresh food. Okay. But few food need a preservation. For example, ice cream. Let's come. Each food items are kept for a long period of time and not stored properly. Few foods, if we not kept properly, they get spoiled. Okay. Such food items are bad for our health. Preservation of food prevents it from getting spoiled. We can preserve food in a number of ways. Which way? That one question. Make a list. Preservation way. That one question answer you write down in EVS question paper. So this one topic very, very important. Okay. Preservation way. Which preservation way or make a list preservation way. That one question answer hide here. First one way, drying. Okay. Removing the water content of the food. For example, drying grapes to get raisins. Next, pickling. You all love to eat mango pickle, chili pickle, a lot of pickles. Your mother can make vegetables pickles, chili pickles, carrot pickles. Okay, which pickles all you like, please comment me. Okay, next, pickling. Mixing fruits and vegetables with salt and oil. For example, mixing mango, lime and other vegetables with oil and salt. Next one, refrigerating. We all know in our kitchen there is a refrigerator stand. Okay, which foods your mother kept inside? Meal, vegetables, leafy vegetables, okay, and ice cream also. Keeping food in the fridge to preserve it for a short time. For example, keeping cooked food and fresh vegetables in the fridge. Deep freezing. Keeping food in the freezer to preserve it for a longer time. For example, keeping meat and fish in the freezer. Next one, preservation way. Fifth one, canning and bottling. Storing foods which juice, yes. Storing food in cans and bottles, for example, bottling of sauces and jams. Okay. Juice, sauce and jams, we always use that one, canning and a bottling preservation way. Okay. Next topic, last one from this one chapter. Please pay attention. Rest, posture and exercise. Our body needs rest. Yes. Our body needs rest for proper functioning. Yes. Why our body needs a rest? For proper functioning. This one answer. School children need 9 to 11 hours of sleep in a day. School children needs dash hours need sleep need 9 to 11. Lack of sleep may result in a improper functioning of body organs. It can make us fall ill. Okay, so get proper sleep. So get up early morning and go to bed on time. Okay, finish your homework, take your food and take your sleep also. It's very important. Okay, next, lack of sleep may result in improper functioning of body organs. It can make us fall ill. Therefore, staying up late is not a good idea. So, go to bed on time because of prevent sick or okay, for healthy body. It's very important. Posture. What is a posture? Refers to body position. Body position is very, very important. Always stand proper, walk proper, sit proper. Okay. Otherwise, you have a starting pain, stomach pain, back pain. Okay. It is important for us to keep our back upright, straight. Okay. While standing or sitting, incorrect posture over all long period of time can lead to pain in joint and muscles. Okay, you can see here on page number 70 which position we always sit. So correct. Which one? Third one. Okay, first and second one wrong, third one correct. Okay, next, turn page number 18. We on page number 18. Last one, our few sentences here. Please pay attention. Exercise is important to stay healthy. Yes. Why we need exercise? For healthy body. Regular exercise and playing outdoor games. Not indoor games means a mobile game. Okay. Outdoor games such as hockey, football, cricket help us to stay fit. Okay. Yoga in ancient method of exercise practice in India also helps in keeping our body fit. Yoga from ancient India, ancient time, yoga is very very important for our healthy body. Okay. Then from tomorrow you start exercise, yoga. Yes, for a healthy body. Okay. You can see on page number 18. Few kids how doing they? Yes. Now exercise time, but kids we stop here, otherwise our video going long, so we stop here. In next science lecture we continue our exercise. We solve our all question answer. Till it, bye bye kids.